Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a beautiful truth. Art has no age limit. Many people believe they are either too young to create meaningful art or too old to learn something new. But art doesn't think that way. A paintbrush never asks your age. A blank sheet of paper never asks how old you are. It only asks one simple question. Are you ready to create? Some artists discover their love for painting as children, others begin after retirement. Some paint every day, while others return to art after many years. Every journey is different, and every journey is special. There is no perfect age to become an artist. Sometimes people say, I wish I had started earlier, but thinking about the past will not change today. The best time to paint is always now. One brush stroke today is more valuable than a thousand dreams about yesterday. As we grow older, we also grow wiser. We experience happiness, sadness, success, and failure. All of these experiences become part of our art. That is why paintings created by different people are never the same. Every artist brings a unique story to the paper. Young artists have energy, curiosity, and fearless imagination. Older artists have patience, experience, and a deeper understanding of life. Neither is better than the other. Both have something beautiful to share with the world. Never think I am too old to learn this technique or I am too young to paint something meaningful. Learning has no finish line. Every day we can discover a new color, a new idea, or a better way to use one brush. That is the wonderful thing about being an artist. We never stop growing. Don't compare your age with someone else's achievements. Compare your progress with yesterday. If you are improving even a little, you are moving in the right direction. Art is not about how quickly you become good. It is about enjoying the journey and continuing to learn. Some of the world's most beautiful paintings were created after years of practice, but every one of those artists began with a single brush stroke. They were beginner ones, just like all of us. They simply keep going. So, whether you are 16 or 60, whether you have painted for 20 years or 20 days, your creative journey matter. Your ideas matter. Your painting matter. The world doesn't need another copy of someone else. It needs your unique way of seeing life. So never let age become an excuse. Pick up your brush with confidence, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep creating. Your next painting could be the one that surprises you the most. Always remember, dreams do not have an expiry date, and creativity does not grow old. Art has no age limit. As long as your heart is willing to create, you will always be an artist. Thank you so much and happy painting to all of you.